Hello, my dear students. I welcome in this maths online session. So, here is the explanation of exercise 6.8.
Now children, open page number 84. Now we are going to see the last exercise of this chapter. In this, we have to see the relationship between HCF and LCM. When we multiply both the LCM and HCF, so it is equal to the product of two numbers. And if LCM is missing, LCM you have to find, then the formula becomes the product of two number will be divided by HCF. And if you need to find the HCF, the formula becomes product of two numbers will be divided by LCM. So children, before starting the exercise in notebook, you will be writing all these formulas. The relationship between HCF LCM is the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. If you need to find the LCM, the formula is here. If you need to find the HCF, the formula is here. So you will be writing this in register. Now children, see the question number 1. The HCF of two numbers is 5 and their LCM is 280. If one of the number is 35, find the other number. That means LCM and HCF is given to you, and from the two numbers, one number is given, you have to find the other number. So see the solution children. What is given? First you will write those parts, like HCF is given, that is 5. LCM is given 280. One number is given 35, and whichever you have to find, put a question mark. So you know the relationship. LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. You can write first number multiply by second number. Now put the values. What is LCM? 280 multiplied by 5 is equal to the first number is 35 and you have to find the second number. 280 into 5. This 35 we have to bring this side. So it is multiplying over there. So this 35 will come in division. Is equal to second number. So you can divide this 5 ones are and 5 sevens are. Again this 7 and 28. 7 fours are is 28 and 0 as it is. So the second number, therefore second number is equal to 40. This is your answer. Children, question number 2, 3 and 4 all are same. You will be doing yourself. Let's see question number 5. The LCM of two numbers is 192. One number is 12 and the other number is 64. Now in this numbers are given, LCM is given. What you are required to find the HCF. You have to find the HCF. So see the solution of 5. What are given? LCM is 192. One number is given 12. Other number is given 64. And what you are required to find? HCF. This you have to find. So children, you know the formula of HCF. HCF is equal to product of two numbers, first number into second number will be divided by LCM. Now put the values. What is first number? Is 12 into 64 will be divided by 192. Now you can simplify them. Now check it by 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we can divide by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 192 when you divide it by 3 you will get 64. Now 64 is 64. This is cut. So the HCF is 4. This is your answer. Now children, see question number 6. The product of two numbers is 432. Now in this question, two separate numbers are not given. उन्होंने दोनों का डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट दिया है. The LCM you have to find and the HCF is 6. See children, what is given in question number 6? Product. Product of two numbers is given 432. Then HCF is given 6 and LCM you have to find. So you know the formula. LCM is equal to product of two numbers will be divided by HCF. So it will be 432 divided by 6. And when you divide this, what you get? 72. So therefore LCM will be 72. This is your answer. See children, question number 1, 5 and 6. I have explained. The remaining question you will be trying yourself. All the parts are related to the formula based. Try it yourself. Thank you.